Hi, we are looking at a question number 16 of energetics of IB Diploma Chemistry HL. Question being asked, which ionic compound has the most endothermic lattice enthalpy? So what is the lattice enthalpy? So lattice means it's a crystalline form typically of all ionic compounds. Okay. So when we need to separate out, okay, all those ions, okay, into the gaseous form, then whatever is the energy which we need to spend is called lattice enthalpy. Okay, simple. Take a lattice, that is a crystal, okay, of the ionic compound, and break it down into the gaseous ions. So whatever is the energy we need to spend is called lattice enthalpy. Simple. Now, in which one it will be the maximum endothermic? That means where we need to spend the maximum amount of energy. And the answer comes stronger the bond between the ions. That means ionic bonds are very strong. Then we need to spend higher energy. So the question amounts to be in which of this compound the bonds are strongest. That's all. There is nothing else. Okay. So what concept we can apply? When the bonds will be stronger, when either the charge on those ions, cation and anion, is higher, okay, or the ionic radius of these ions is small. So let's look into it. Very, very simple. So we can clearly see there are two kind of cations, that is Na plus and K plus. And what about the anions F minus and Cl minus? Okay, so we know that ionic radius of Na plus is lower than K plus, being down the group K plus, okay, in the same group one. And similarly, F minus ionic radius is lower than Cl minus. So from this, we straightforward get the answer that it is NaF. Okay, so the correct answer is C. So let me repeat, what is the lattice enthalpy? Lattice enthalpy is the energy which is required from the ionic compound to separate into the gaseous ions. So stronger the ionic bond, higher will be the lattice enthalpy. This is the concept. When the bonds will be stronger, when either the charge on those ions is higher or the ionic radius is lower, so that they come very close to each other. Okay, so we can clearly see that Na plus is ionic radius is lower than K plus, and F minus ionic radius is lower than Cl minus. So NaF is the right option. Hope it is quite clear to you. If you are interested in looking into similar kind of interesting questions, please do visit our website leadib.com. The link has been provided in the description. Thank you.